Okay, now it's reaching the end stop there. Okay, now with the screw we can set the offset depending on the bottle, and clicking OK, we go to the adjustment. We can change the amplitude, the ratio, the speed. We can, for example, we can increase the cycles and the delay, and then we'll start. Okay. In the other side there is the like industrial version, cut in metal, based again in Ram's shield, a common material. This version is made by 3D printing parts and laser cutting parts, and all the mechanics is a very common mechanics from 3D printers.